Whenever World Cup season begins, my inbox is filled with parents asking me the same thing. Lakshita, should I support my child in becoming an athlete? Please tell me only if they will become very famous. From the messages I get, it's very clear that parents only commit to an unconventional path when strong fame is indicated. So let's look at what placements make for a strong athlete. The first thing, let's check where the fame is coming from. In many charts, fame is written, but it comes through someone external like a partner or an incident. But for an athlete, their fame comes through their skill itself. The Lagna Lord and 10th Lord will have a strong conjunction or exchange in the D1 or D10. More important than fame is something everyone tends to ignore. A serious athlete has to take a lot of pain and punishment on their body consistently for years. The 6th and 8th Lords will never show a slow and sluggish recovery, and they'll have an extraordinary Mars placement. A serious athlete will have a retro Mars or Mars sitting in Upchaya houses, even Mars giving its strong aspect on the 6th house, or Mars in Dhanishta Nakshatra is something I have commonly seen. Many times Lagna will be carrying strong malefics like a strong Saturn, which is also Vargotam. Now 3rd Lord shows dexterity and motor skill, so it has to be in exceptional condition. In cricketers I have seen strong Mercury Mars connection, and in footballers I've seen Mars connecting with the 6th and 9th house. Jupiter in these charts is always sitting under pressure. It's almost never exalted because an athlete has to pay more to recover, and luck only unlocks after heavy pressure. And Saturn for them is barely about hard work, it's a lot to do with how they function inside rigorous systems. Committees, boards, teams, rules, they all have to be adhered to continuously. Because then Mars is heavily rebellious by nature, Saturn has to tame it or work in connection with it. And I must state the obvious, the Dasha of your 3rd, 10th or 11th Lord has to come in your peak physical years, accompanied with the Antardasha of your luckiest planet. So let me know if you've ever thought of becoming an athlete, or are you sitting and supporting your favorite team?